Welcome back to Tech Rants. My name is Q, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first look at the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, this is the space black version. Before we get started, if you like the content, please consider leaving a like on the video. Comment down below what you guys think about this and any other videos. Subscribe to become part of the family. And if you really enjoy the content, please consider making a donation via Cash App at $ the Tech Rant Show. That's $ THETECHRANTSSHOW. Donations are never required, but I greatly appreciate it. So, this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now let's go through the specs real quick. You have a 6.7-inch display, 120 Hertz refresh rate. You have an Apple A16 Bionic chip, 6 gigs of RAM. This is the 128 gigs of storage. Goes up to 512. You have a triple camera setup on the back, and you have a 43 whatever milliamp hour battery. All right, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I might need an unboxing knife. Not quite sure. Oh no, it slides out. Okay. Oh, that makes my life a lot easier. It just slides out. Maybe it did slide out. I don't know. Trying to figure out how you would get this open. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'll just have to get it. I guess. Oh, yeah. It's locked on the side, so bear with me. That's weird. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. All right. Oh shit. All right. Well, I got it open. Kind of ripped, but it is what it is. All right. So take a look here. Let's open this phone up and see what it is. All right. Oh, kind of ghetto ripped it, but it is what it is. So take a look here. On top, you have the phone. Toss that to the side. You have your USB-C charging cable and your Apple Troll stickers. So that's it. All right. So let's go ahead and toss this to the side. Let's go and take a look at this phone. Let's go and rip off the plastic. Rah. All right. Look at this. This is beautiful. On the right side, you have your power button. On the left side, you got your volume rocker, silent switch, and yeah, all that other good stuff. So let's go ahead and get this phone its first boot up. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's go ahead and do that. And yeah, iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the AT&T version. And I'll get into a story here why I got it in a minute. But yeah, just want to give this its first boot up. See how it is. Hope it's not dead. More than likely, it is. And I think it is. So let me do it again. 1, 2. All right. See if it comes on. I do need to get a case for this. So I will order a case here shortly. But we're going to see. 14 Pro Max. Kind of excited to use this. This is definitely something that's going to be wonderful. So yeah. Oh, it's not dead. All right. So let's go ahead. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and I'll come back when it's finished. All right, everybody. So I'm transferring everything over from the iPhone 13 to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But just briefly, I just want to talk about why I left. Basically, I'm leaving because I left T-Mobile. I'm going to leave T-Mobile because of the hack. I'm tired of it. This isn't the first time it's happened. And, when I gave my full review of T-Mobile, I did not mention the hack strictly because I'd never been affected. I mean, it still happens, but, when you've never been affected, you typically ignore stuff like this. And that's typically what I did. I ignored it because it just never happened to me. But now it's happened to me. I was affected by the hack. I'm not going to get into it deeply or whatever. But basically, and we'll wipe down. It is what it is. I was affected, and now um, I gotta pay for it. So, and part of that is T-Mobile losing my business. It keeps happening, and 18, and I know anybody can get hacked. Anybody can get hacked. Okay, and I'm cool with that. Well, I'm not cool with that, but the thing is that when you're running a business, it's okay. Mistakes can happen, but you should not let it happen over and over and over again. So that's the reason why I left T-Mobile, and I'm going to leave T-Mobile. I'm taking my business elsewhere. I went to AT&T, and we're gonna see how AT&T treats us. Now, I will say this. Um, so taking a look at this here, I want to show you kind of the comparisons between the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max. Definitely the 13 is taller, and the 13 is I'd say it's a little more narrower. It's a little wider. So it's pretty good. Anyway, so yeah, not bad. Not bad looking at all. I got the black. I was going to get the gold, but the gold was only in 256, and I really I didn't need 256. I just didn't. It just would have been a waste of money. I got to get a case for it. I should have bought a case, but I'm just going to buy a basic case off Amazon because it is what it is. Matter of fact, let me see how this fits in my pocket. Oh, it fits pretty good in the pocket, actually. I just need to test it out with my gym pants. It fits pretty good, so it is what it is. Oh, there we go. So yeah, I'm just setting this up. So I'm actually going to let this finish setting up, and then I'll come back when it's all said and done. All right, everybody. So we are back. So it took me a while to get this set up because I had to port my number over from T-Mobile, and it was a nightmare. It was a nightmare, but I think I got it done. So we're going to test that out. So one thing I do like about this iPhone 14 Pro Max is it has a neat feature. When you power it up, it does vibrate and it makes a little noise. So you check it out. All right, it's coming on. Kind of like that. The other iPhones do not have this. Um, so this is definitely something that's unique. So yeah, we're going to see how this is. So it is powering on. And it is on. All right, let's see. So we're going to wait. All right, so going to make sure this is all good to go. So give me 1 second and make sure my service is working. So I'll be right back. All right, everybody. So we are back, and I got everything together. It took a while, I tell you. For T-Mobile to want to sell your information so quick, they sure don't want you to leave. But we got it together. We are here, and it is good. So yeah. So I just got a couple more things to set up. So give me 1 second, and we'll we'll talk about the iPhone 14 Pro Max. All right, so you're all right. We got it together. We're having a couple issues, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna close this out. So I've been using this, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It moves fast. It's a good phone. I'm beginning to like it. Um, so so yeah. Trying to get everything together. So we'll see exactly how this goes. Having an issue with my iMessage. Let me get that together. Something should come up. Let's see. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna have to call Apple about this, but other than that, all right. So iPhone 14 Pro Max, so far so good. I'm gonna give you guys a review on this plus AT&T. If you have T-Mobile, just take your auto pay off, and they say no compromised information was placed or whatever, but it was. But anyway, so yeah, if this is helpful, informative anyway, leave a like on the video. Cash App information is in the bottom and will be in the description below. This has been all over the place, but yeah, it is what it is. So if you're feeling it and you really like this content, definitely leave a like on the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be safe, be blessed, peace.